Today, I'm going to teach you how to swap faces in Adobe Photoshop. First, I use the Lasso tool to select the face area. I cut the part of the face that I want to replace on another face. Using the shortcut key Ctrl+C, I copy this selection. And with the shortcut key Ctrl+V, I paste it onto this image. With the shortcut key Ctrl+T, I run free transform on the pasted image. I change the angle of the face so that it looks like the angle of the face below. I put the face on the face below. I will reduce its opacity to place the face more accurately on the previous face, after adjusting the position of the upper face. I return the opacity to 100. By holding Ctrl and clicking on the thumbnail of Layer 1, the area of the top face will be selected. From the Select tab, I choose Modify, then Contract. In the Contract window, I specify the amount of pixels that this selected area is supposed to go inside. This value depends on the deletion of your image. I set this value to 5. And I click on the OK button. I unlock the bottom layer. And I click on it. And I press the Delete key to delete the previous face in the selected area. Now I select both layers with the Ctrl key. I go to the Edit tab and select Auto Blend Layers. The Auto Blend Layers window will open. In the opened window, I put the Blend method on Stack Images, and the Seamless Tones and Colors option and Content Aware Fill Transparent Areas option must be active. I click on the OK button and wait for the Photoshop software to apply the changes. As you can see, Photoshop has applied the changes. I delete the selection area with the shortcut key Ctrl+D. Now we see the final result of the work together. Like and subscribe to see more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Don't miss the next videos.